If your design are still looking dull in 2026, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 important things for you to get your design pops like the ones you are seeing on your screen right now. So first of all, I will show you how to get the right resources, that is the image, and then I will show you the color choices to use in your designs, and lastly I will show you the fonts and how to place all of them in the design. So guys, if you are a new person to our channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, you are welcome back. If you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube each time we post a video just like this one. So guys, let's move on. So on the first step, let me show you how to get the resources. So guys, now designers moved from just getting a random images to use for your design to getting an image that speaks well for your design. For example, now we want to design let's say a food flyer for social media advert, and I'll just paste. You can choose to use this from okay, so I want to get image generated from Germany. So I told Germany generate a picture of a Nigerian woman eating jollof rice with chicken. The food is placed on a table with many other types of food in a round flat plate. She is feeling happy and excited, and then I will add that she is wearing a red shirt. So guys, we have it done like this. After saving this to my gallery, if you are a smartphone user, you know that the next thing we need to increase the quality of the image. So I'll go to my Snapseed and then import the image I just generated. So after importing, the next thing I will do is just to come to details and then go to sharpening to to make the image sharp, and then go to structure, you see, to make the image more brighter and okay. So we have it like this. You see, the image is now better for use. So after exporting, the next thing I will do is to get to photo room and then remove the background. So guys, we are done on that part. So the next thing is for us to get to our pixel lab for us to start doing the magic. We are done for the first step. And so now we are in our pixel lab. So first of all, I will determine the aspect ratio, which is 4:5 for Instagram posts. Okay, so and then remember I told you I will show you how to the right images, the right color to use, and then the fonts and how to place them. So first of all, I'm importing the image we just generated. So this is the image. You see, it's very sharp and okay, you see. So now I'm going to lock that. So the next thing I will do, I will just create a shape just to have this, you know, it's a social media flyer. So just create a shape. Then for this shape, I'm going to okay it, and then I'll still just come to max, and then simply okay. So I'm simply going to just highlight from this side and then bring it up like this. Just follow me on what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to just bring this like this. So what I want to create is just let it be like this. So we have it like this. So the next thing is for me to get the color, so I can equally pick the color from the food on the table. So just pick a color from any of the chicken. All right, so we have this color. Okay, so we have this color from the chicken, and then the next thing is just for us to get the write-up. We have it like that. So I'm going to make use of these fonts, this MTN brighter. So I'm going to make use of that font. So I will add the font to our resource channel. So if you are not there, you can join it through the description of this video. So I'm going to bring it in, just not to have a very plain background. Okay, so I'm going to take that to the back. All right, so I'm going to reduce the opacity of it. So we have the opacity reduced up to this level. I'm going to lock it, and then the next thing we'll do is to go to sticker, just to bring a logo, something that looks like a logo. So make sure you don't use more than two font choices, and those choice of fonts are fonts that are good. So the background, we can decide to change the background color. Instead of being white, you can decide this. We can pick a color from the foot here. All right, so we can pick a color from the foot here. You see, you can decide to use this, and then we will now change this color to something like this or black, so it can be like this. So now the next thing, we can just decide to add like a comment, maybe like all those like Facebook comments. So we just add it just to make the design more real and matured, and then I'll just add it here. Okay, so we have it like a comment in there. Then the next thing we do is to bring in a social media handle. So let's say this is it, and then I'm going to make a copy of this and then put it straight, change the color to white. All right, so we have it like that. So I'm going to make a copy of that, and then let's say we are going to put their phone number. So let's say it's okay. So this is just the idea around it. All right, so now after then, now I'm going to make a copy of this. Okay, so and then I'm going to create a round shape here, and then I'll bring that up. Okay, so we change the color to something like this, and then the font, we make it bolder because it's what we want. That's the main thing we want people to really see. So guys, you see the design is already popping out. Okay, so we are done. So if we still want to do something, we can just come to draw, and then reduce the smoothness, reduce it to 2, and then just draw something like, and then I will zoom up for us to have the edge of the draw very well, and then I'll add something like this, then zoom out. So guys, we are done with the design. So guys, if you stayed to this point, congratulations, you have your design ready. Thank you guys for always watching back, and then don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to our channel, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viral video just like this one. So guys, thank you for watching, and then see you in our next video.